First type, to find the partial fraction when the denominator consists of only linear non-repeated factors. Okay, now here also we are having two different cases. Now case 1. Case 1, in this what we are having, case 1, when integrand is proper rational function. What this means? Degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Now this is the case 1, when integrand it is a proper rational function. Now what it is, what we can write it, we are having px plus q upon x minus a x minus b. To this, how we are going to write it? To this we can write it a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b. Okay, we are having integrand as a proper, degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. Then we are going to write the question in this format. First thing. Okay, now working rules, what we are going to do further? Working rules. Now step 1. Step 1 is what? Find LCM of right hand side and solve it. What it will become? We will be getting step 2, it is px plus q upon x minus a x minus b. This will become now a x minus b plus b x minus a upon x minus a x minus b. Denominator of both the sides are same, so we can cancel them. In step 3, what we are going to do now, step 3, solve px plus q is equal to a x minus b plus b x minus a. Comparing coefficient of x and constant term on both sides, comparing coefficient of x and constant terms on both sides, we will get value of a and b. Or otherwise what you can do it, or x minus b is equal to 0, x is equal to b, and x minus a is equal to 0, x is equal to a. Put x is equal to a, x is equal to b simultaneously, to get value of A and B. So like this thing, we are getting values for both A and B. And what you have done it, when you are getting the values for A and B, you have decomposed partially. Okay. Now we are going with some nice examples.